Parts Plus allows you to quickly issue parts to workshop and body shop jobs using your mobile device. You can view jobs in all workshops and body shops across your location. Once you've selected a job, you can quickly issue any prepared parts. Discounts and issue prices are taken care of automatically by the DMS. Check the Conversations tab for any instructions or comments from technicians and respond easily. To find a part, you can scan the barcode or search for the part as you normally would. Decide the quantity, then add this to the appropriate operation. The parts are immediately issued from stock and can now be found in work in progress for that job, without the need to go to the PC screen. Once that's complete, you can issue parts to another job. Parts Plus is fully integrated with Pinewood DMS, saving you valuable time in workshop and parts departments at no extra cost.